how to pair up your AirPods Gen 1 or the Gen 2, as well as check the battery status using an app known as Andropods. And this here is a OnePlus 9 Pro phone, also works with OnePlus 10 Pro phone. Let's get started. To get started, you want to make sure your AirPods are fully charged and not connected to another device, as this will cause conflict when trying to pair up with the OnePlus phone. So open up the case lid here, and at the back of your AirPods case, there is a button found right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's that circle button right there. Then holding down that button until it starts to blink in a white light, and don't let go until it blinks at least 3 to 5 times. So you'll hold it and keep holding it until you see this right here. So hold it and then let it go. Now you want to keep the case lid open at all times throughout the rest of the pairing process here. Next up, on your OnePlus phone, you'll use the quick panel access here. You'll look for the Bluetooth toggle and long press it. Then go ahead and turn it on. It'll start searching for nearby devices. You'll see AirPods. It'll say pairing. You'll get a request here. Press pair. And it's going to tell you if it's connected and whatnot. To get some more settings, you can tap on the circle with the eye right here, and you can enable it for phone calls and media audio. Now, with all that set up and done, just close your AirPods here for a moment, and we'll dive into the app. The name of the app you want to get is the Andropods. It's free from the Play Store, so you have nothing to lose. Once you tap on it the first time, you'll see Show Overlays, and when you select that here, you'll be taken to here. You want to go to Andropods, and just simply say Always to display over other apps. Then, for the Bluetooth section, you want to give it permission, so allow. Next up, go ahead and activate the service right here, and then select the model, which you want to keep it at AirPods 1 and 2 because it's either a Gen 1 or 2. Now, with all that set up and done, we'll go ahead and open up the case lid of our AirPods, and you should get something that looks just like this. And just give it a few seconds so it can accurately read the battery for you. And if you've done everything correctly, you should have something that looks just about like this right here. And of course, if you do take it out the case like this here, you'll also get a reading for the AirPods itself, just like this here. And that, my friends, is the end of this tutorial. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.